Hello children. So welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from mathematics subject irrational numbers and surds topic we are going to continue. So our today's concept is comparing the given monomial surds. Comparing the given monomial surds. In our previous videos we have learned that by using loss of radicals, we can compare the monomial surds. So here, comparison of surds is possible only when they are of same order. Here, what is order of a surd, children? If nth root of a is a surd, then n is considered to be the order of the surd. If we have square root of a, or we can also mention it as 2 root of a, square root of a, then here order is 2. If we take cube root of a, order is 3. If we take 4th root of a, order is 4. If we take 5th root of a, order is 5. In the same way, for nth root of a, order will be n. So, the comparison of surds depends on this order of the surds. So, then only the radicands or the surds can be compared. If they are not in same order, we cannot compare them. We cannot tell which one is greater, which one is lesser. Compulsorily, we have to make them convert into the same order. Then only they can be compared. Suppose cube root of 5, cube root of 7. If we have two surds like this, the first one order is 3, second one order is 3. These two can be compared. So because since the order of surds is same, now we can compare these radicands or surds. So both of them are having cube root. So we can compare the rational number which is inside the root. So here is 5, here is 7. We know that 7 is greater than 5. So cube root of 7 also will be greater than cube root of 5. So the comparison between the integers, if the order is same comparison will work out for the surds also. Cube root of 7 is greater than cube root of 5. Suppose in order to compare surds of different order and different base, first we have to reduce them into same order. Then we can compare. Suppose you have a question like this. So which is greater? Cube root of 3, 4th root of 5. Here first one order is 3, second one order is 4. Orders of the surds are different, bases of the surds are different. So we have to convert them into same order. Cube root of 3 means what form it is? It is radical form. Cube root of 3 is considered as radical form, which can be written as exponential form. So here cube root, if it written in exponential form, 3 to the power of 1 by 3. We can take it as 3 to the power of 1 by 3. In the same way, 4th root of 5, it is in radical form. Exponential form, 5 to the power of 1 by 4. So we have written the two surds in exponential forms. In exponential forms, for 3 to the power of 1 by 3 and for 5 to the power of 1 by 4, in the exponent place, we have fractions with different denominators. Here it is 3, here it is 4. We have to make them such type of fractions, they have same denominator, common denominator. So for that, what we have to take? We have to take the LCM of 3 and 4, which is 12. So 1 by 3 to be written as a fraction with the denominator 12. How can we get 12? By multiplying and dividing with 4. Means 1 4 is 4, 3 4 times 12. Means we will get 3 to the power of 4 by 12. This 4 by 12 can be simplified 4 into 1 by 12. 4 into 1 by 4, 1 by 12. Still it can be written as 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 12. Whole power 1 by 12. Means in the exponent we have product, means it can be written as 2 powers. 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 12. Where 1 by 12 is the exponential form. So if we convert into radical form, so 1 by 12 stands for 12th root. 12th root of 3 by 4. So here, or simply we can write 1 4 will be inside, 1 4 will be like exponent, this 1 by 12 will be like radicand, radical sign, converted into radical sign. 12th root of 3 to the power of 4 means 12th root of 81. That is first one, value of the first one, 12th root of 81. Next, 5 to the power of 1 by 4. This also to be written with the denominator 12. 4 we want to write in terms of 12 means we have to multiply and divide by 3. So 1 into 3, 3, 4 into 3, 12. This 3 will be take inside the root, and 1 by 12 will be converted to 12th root. 12th root of 5 cube. So 12th root of 5 into 5 into 5 equals to 125. So now we have 12th root of 81, 12th root of 125. They are in the same order. They are in the same order. Now we can compare them. We have to compare 81 and 125. So we know that 125 is greater than 81. So 12th root of 125 is greater than 12th root of 81. But 12th root of 125 value is 4th root 5. 12th root of 81 value is cubed root 3. So 4th root of 5 is greater than cubed root 3. So like this, after converting into the same order, we can compare the given radicands. One more question. Arrange the surds in ascending order of their magnitudes. Here we have 3 surds. We have to arrange them in ascending order. So first we have to make them into same order. First we have to convert them into same order. So then only we can arrange them into ascending order. So cubed root of 2, radical form. 2 to the power of 1 by 3, exponential form. 9th root of 4, radical form. 4th root of 1 by 9, exponential form. 6th root of 3, radical form. 3 to the power of 1 by 6, exponential form. So what are the fractions in the exponents? 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 6. LCM of 396. What is the LCM of 396? 396. LCM is 18. LCM is 18. So what we have to write? 3 6 times 18. 6 into 1, 6. Means first one can be written as 6 by 18. First one can be written as 6 by 18. Second one, 9 2 times 18. 2 1 is 2. Second one can be written as 2 by 18. Third one, 6 3 times 18. 3 1 is 3. Third one is written as 3 by 18. So R3 we want to turn into 18. We can multiply with 6. Multiply and divide by 6. So it will turn into 6 by 18. 6 by 18. 6 by 8 means 6 will remain as a power. 1 by 18 will be converted into root. Here, if we got 6 by 18, we can write it as 6 into 1 by 18. 6 into 1 by 18, where 6 will remain as power. 1 by 18 will be converted into root. So it will turn into 18th root of 2 power 6. 18th root of 2 power 6 or 18th root of 64. Here, fourth root of 2 by 18. Fourth root of 2 by 18. So numerator will be numerator will stay as power. It will become 4 square. 1 by 18 will become root. 18th root of 4 square. 18th root of 16. Here 3 by 18. 18th root of 3 cube. 18th root of 27. Now we have to write in ascending order. So smallest one, smallest to largest. So which one is smallest? Because they three of them are in same order. 18th root, 18th root, 18th root. So just we can compare the rational numbers which are under root. 64, 16, 27. Which one is smallest? 16 is smaller than 27. 27 is smaller than 64. Means 18th root 16 smaller than 18th root 27 smaller than 18th root 64. So this is the ascending order. So after writing into same order, then we can arrange them in ascending order. Next. So addition and subtraction of surds. Addition and subtraction of surds. So two surds can be added or subtracted one from the other by using distributive law only when they are similar surds. Only when they are similar surds. We cannot add or subtract dissimilar surds. So addition and subtraction is possible. Addition and subtraction is possible only because of the in the case of similar surds. Whereas in case of dissimilar surds, it cannot be possible. This addition and subtraction also can be done by using distributive law. So if we have a root c plus b root c, these two are similar surds. How can we say they are similar surds? Because they are having the same order. So here a root c, here a root c is different. Eighth root c is different. Here eighth root means it is the order of the surd. But here we have a root c. Here it is separate. A is separate, root c is separate. So here a is the multiple. Root c means we can square root c it is. Square root c whose order is 2. In the same way, b root c. B root c also, here nothing is there means we can keep 2. Order of this surd also 2. So both the surds order is 2. So they are similar surds. They are similar surds, we can add them. So because while in these two terms, which is common? Here root c is common, root c is common. So it is in the form of a into root c plus b into root c. So according to distributive law, what we will do? We will take the common term out. So root c we will take common. So then here a will be remaining plus here b will be remaining. So a plus b into root c. So by using distributive law, we can simplify like this. Or if we have a root c minus b root c, in this case also, if we take root c common, by distributive law, a minus b will be remaining. A minus b will be remaining. Now, by using this, 2 root 6 plus 4 root 6. Root 6 is common. So 2 plus 4 is remaining. 2 plus 4 results in 6. So the answer is 6 root 6. Or 4 root 2, 3 root 2 minus 10 root 2. Which one we take common? Root 2 we can take common. In the first term, 4 is remaining. Second term, 3 is remaining. Third term, minus 10 is remaining. 4 plus 3, 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10 results in minus 3. Minus 3 root 2. So, in this way, if we have similar surds, we can add 2 or more similar surds by using distributive law or by taking common surd out. Common surd out. So now example, simplify 8 root 3 4 root 75, 3 root 300. So we don't have similar surds in the given expression, but we have to check is there any possibility of making them into similar surds, converting them into similar surds. Here not only order children, not only order, along with the order, if two surds are to be similar, they should have same value, because if we have along with the order here square root 3 are similar sets. Why means not only order, we have to see the rational number also. If they are same, so then only they are said to be similar. Only the multiple to be different. Here we can have 3, here we can have 4. Like that, multiple can be different, but the order of the surd and the rational number inside the surd to be same. So here 8 root 3, 4 root 75. 75, how can we write? 3 into 25 we can write. 300. 3 into 100 we can write. So now 25 means we can write it as 5 square. 100 means we can write it as 10 square. Okay. Then what happens? 5 square means 5 will go out. 4 into 5 root 3. 10 square, 10 will go out. 3 into 10 root 3. 4 into 5 means 20 root 3. 3 into 10 means 30 root 3. Now see here, only the multiples are different, but the surds are same. So they are similar surds. Now after converting them into similar surds, now we can add them or subtract them. We can take root 3 common. So what is remaining? 8 minus 20 plus 30. First we have to add positive terms. 8 plus 30, 38, minus 20, 18. So 18 root 3 is the answer after simplification. So just by seeing the question, we should not tell it is not similar surd, we cannot simplify. Like that we should not tell. We have to check, is there any possibility of making them into similar surds? If there is this possibility, we have to do like that. We can write it, we can add them by using distributive law. Next. So multiplication and division of surds. Here. So if nth root of A, nth root of B are two surds, here AB is there, need not be compulsory that they are similar. They may be dissimilar surds, but division is possible, multiplication is possible. But here their order to be same. Means if they are having same order but they are different surds, then their multiplication can be defined as nth root of A, nth root of B. They are written under common root, nth root of A into B. And their division also written under common root. Nth root of A by nth root of B equals to nth root of A by B, where B not equals to 0. In division of surds, one rule is there, B should not be equal to 0. Denominator should not be equal to 0. Because if the denominator is 0, the entire total surd doesn't exist. Suppose, if we have surds, when the surds to be multiplied or divided are not of same order, so then what we have to do? They have to be brought to the same order by using laws of radicals before the operation to be done. Before the operation means before the multiplication to be done, division to be done. First thing is, if they have same order, we can multiply them and we can write product under the same root, quotient under the same root. If they are not in order, we have to make them, or we have to brought them into the same order. Then we can do multiplication or division. Here, cubed root of 48 divided by cubed root of 162. So cubed root of 48, cubed root of 48, cubed root of 162. So 48 we can write it as 8 into 6. 162 we can write it as 27 into 6. If they are 8 means 2 cube, 2 will come out. 27 means 3 cube, 3 will come out. Here 2 into cubed root of 6, 3 into cubed root of 6. So we can write it as cube 2 by 3 because it is outside. Cubed root of, both are under cubed root, we can write them under the same root. Cubed root of 6 by 6. Cubed root of 6 by 6. So cancel. Cubed root of 1 is 1 only. So answer is 2 by 3. Answer is 2 by 3. Next, cubed root of 2 into 6th root of 6 into 6th root of 3, divided by 6th root of 3 into 6th root of 8. So numerator, cubed root of 2, 6th root of 6. So we have to change them into same order. Already we have learnt. So mth root of p is there means with the same number I can multiply the order and I can multiply the exponent. I can multiply the exponent so that its value do not changes. So here order 6 is there, here order 3 is there. If I want to make this 6, here order of the third to be multiplied by 2. In exponent we have 1. In exponent we have 1. It is also to be multiplied with 2. So here 3 into 2, 3 into 2. Here 2 power 1 into 2. Second one will be the same. Now 3 into 2, 6th root of 2, 1 into 2, 2 only. 2 square how much? 4. Now 6th root of 4, 6th root of 6. Both of them having the same order. We can multiply. 4 6 are 24. We can write under 1 root. We can write under 1 root. Next, denominator. 6th root of 3, 6th root of 8. Both of them having the same root. We can multiply. 8 times 24. 6th root of 24. Now numerator value is 6th root of 24. Denominator 6th root of 24. We can write under same root. 6th root of 24 by 24. Cancel 6th root of 1, which is equal to 1. Because any root of 1 is always equal to 1. Okay, children. Next, cubed root of 2, 5th root of 3. Cubed root of 2, 5th root of 3. So we can write as exponential form 2 power 1 by 3, 3 power 1 by 5. So denominators are 1 by 3, 1 by 5. LCM is 15. LCM is 15. So 3 5 times 15. So we can write 5 by 15. 5 3 times 15. 3 1 is 3. We can write 3 by 15 directly. So this is written as 5 by 15. This is written as 3 by 15. 3 by 15. So 5 will be like power, 1 by 15 separate. 3 by 15, 3 will be power, 1 by 15 separate power. So it can be written as 15th root of 2 power 5. It can be written as 15th root of 3 cube. Because both are under root 15, both are having 15th root, order is same. We can multiply them, write them in the under 1 root. 2 power 5 is 32, 3 cube is 27. If you multiply means 5th root of 864. 864 will come. Okay, children, what we have learned today? So, comparison of monomial surds. So comparison of surds is possible when the surds are similar. When the surds are similar. Similar surds means they should have same surd, same order, same rational number inside the root. Similar surds. Only their multiples to be different. Then we can compare them. If they have different order and different base, first we have to make them into same order. First we have make them into same order, then we can compare. Then we can compare. So if they have same base, we can compare directly. If they have different base, then also we can compare them. Ascending order, it is also like comparison only. After comparing the surds, after writing them in same order, we can compare them. We can arrange them in ascending order or descending order. Addition and subtraction is possible by distributive law if they are similar surds. If they are similar surds. If they are not similar, we have to make them similar, then we can compare them. Or we have to make them, simplify them such that under the root say they have same rational number, then we can simplify them. Multiplication is possible when they have same order. When they have same order. Division also possible when they have same order. So when they don't have same order, we have to brought them to same order. Then by using laws of radicals, we can do the operation. That's all for today, children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.